Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Kraft Heinz, complete guide step by step clearly. To invest in Kraft Heinz, start by researching the company's fundamentals. Review its financial statements to understand revenue, profit margins, and debt levels. Look for recent news and developments that may impact its stock performance. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one already. Choose a brokerage that offers access to U.S. stocks, including Kraft Heinz. Once your account is set up, fund it with an appropriate amount for investment. Search for Kraft Heinz using its ticker symbol, KHC. Analyze the stock's price history and trends to make informed decisions. Consider the dividend history, as Kraft Heinz is known for paying dividends. Determine how many shares you want to purchase based on your investment strategy. Place a buy order through your brokerage platform. Monitor your investment regularly to stay updated on its performance. Evaluate your portfolio periodically to decide if you want to hold, sell, or buy more. Research industry trends that might affect Kraft Heinz and its competitors. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Stay patient and focus on long-term growth rather than short-term fluctuations. Review your investment strategy regularly to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Adjust your investment approach as needed based on personal circumstances and market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.